From the Owens Outcome Student Media Center, this is Community Connection, putting you in touch with what's happening within the community and on our campus. Here's your host.
Welcome to Community Connection. I'm Rob Thomas. Renee Downour is our guest today, and Renee is from Career and Transfer Services. She's one of the advisors with news of an event that will be coming up in October that we want to make sure you're aware of. Renee, thank you for joining us on Community Connection.
Hi, Rob. Thank you for having me.
You've got quite a few things that are taking place in your office, and as an advisor, you're probably extremely busy. One of those things is the transfer fair that's coming up.
Yes, we have our transfer fair coming up on October 22nd. That is going to be a Thursday. We're going to run it from 10:30 a.m. until 1:30 p.m. We're actually going to have two sessions because we have to split the schools. So our session one is going to be from 10:30 to 12 o'clock, and those will be schools A through M. And then our next session, which will be from 12 o'clock to 1:30, that will be schools N through Z.
Is there a website that they can go to find the links? What would that be?
If you go to your Blackboard Collaborate, that's where we're going to have the sessions. And if you go to owens.edu/transfer fair/session1, and then again, owens.edu/transfer fair/session2.
So there's an opportunity for our students to participate in the virtual transfer fair. All they have to do is visit the appropriate link. What is the transfer fair about?
Well, this transfer fair is an opportunity for students to meet with participating schools, and it's a really good time to shop around and see what schools may be out there that are a better fit for them. We have schools that offer transfer scholarships and are transfer-friendly schools. So again, this is an opportunity for school students to visit those school representatives to learn more ways, maybe ways they can save money. Owens has developed some articulation agreements with many colleges and universities to benefit our students. And we have a list of those schools that are on our website. So if they go to owens.edu/transfer/articulation, they can look at the list of schools there. And it's also a great way for students just gain general information regarding the schools, such as average class size, student and campus activities, and other features that may be of interest to the student.
When you talked about the articulation agreement, what does that mean?
That means that Owens has made some or developed some programs and course transfer agreements with other schools.
Students would be well advised to take advantage of that to find out what situation they might be able to find themselves in with a particular college that they would like to go to. How has the pandemic, how has COVID-19 affected not only the way you work with other colleges to work with transfers, as well as what it looks like for Owens? Now, certainly we know that you've got the transfer fair virtually coming up in October on the 22nd. What other things have happened or occurred?
Well, as you mentioned, we do have a lot on online. Everything seems to be going virtual right now. And so this is going to be our first time with the transfer fair online. And we're really excited because this is a challenge and it's going to give us something new to try. And not only is it new to us, but it's new to a lot of our students too. So we are going to be offering a transfer fair workshop on October 20th from 1 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And this is a time when we are going to offer tips and strategies for attending the transfer fair online. And again, this is also going to be through Blackboard Collaborate, and the link for that is owens.edu/transfer workshop. So we would love to see our students join us for the transfer fair workshop again on October 20th from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock.
Career and Transfer Services Transfer Fair coming up. What's the date and what are the links to the sessions?
Sure. It's October 22nd. That is a Thursday from 10:30 to 1:30 p.m. And the links again are owens.edu/transferfair/session1. And those are for schools A through M. And then again at 12 o'clock to 1:30. And that link is owens.edu edu/transfer fair/session2.
And if students would like more information, how can they get in touch with you or
Sure.
the department?
Yep, they can either call us at 567-661-2387. That's 567-661-2387. Or they can also email us at careerservices@owens.edu. And again, there's our website. It's full of information, and that's owens.edu/career.
Renee Downour has been our guest from Career and Transfer Services. Thank you very much.
This has been Community Connection. If your group or organization would like to appear on Community Connection, message us from the Owens Community College Radio Facebook page. From the Owens Outcome Student Media Center, this has been Community Connection.